Today I want to make a pudding from potatoes. So here's the video. Let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Bulan Maharani, grade from 12 Science 6, number 31. In this video, I will show you how to make potatoes pudding. Before we go, I will give you some information about the pudding. Pudding is the type of food that can be either a dessert or a savory dish that is part of the main meal. In America, it is a simple answer is a dessert. We all use pudding to mean dessert or afters, but then there are types of dessert that are true puddings. The true pudding are those that are boiled or steamed. That's the video of my English practice examination. Thank you. Okay, here are the ingredients and the materials how to make pudding from potatoes. As you can see, there are 2 boiled of potatoes and then 6 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of tea, and then there are 1 sachet Danko chocolate, 1 sachet agar-agar without flavor, 1 egg, and then you must prepare the 1 glass of water. So the materials, you have to prepare a pan, the filter, a mixer for mixer, and then basin, 2 mold, and the blender. So here we go. Okay, first you have to cut 2 boiled potatoes and then add to the blender. And then you have to pour a glass of water to the blender, then mix well. After you blender the potatoes and the water, pour them to the filter. And then pour the 1 sachet of agar-agar, water, and then mix. After the mix, you can add 1 sachet of Danko chocolate, and mix well. Then add 6 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir. Okay, after that, you can shake the egg and then pour to the potatoes batter. For the milk, agar-agar, and sugar and salt batter, you can pour to the filter to the potatoes batter. And then mix well. And cook the batter thoroughly. After you cook, you can pour them to the mold. I use 2 molds for this recipe. After pouring to the mold, allow the batter to stand in a cool place for an hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and enjoy it. I apologize if I do some mistake, and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.